Next Zippo up could be Walleye Serious. 205 Walleye Serious. I don't know what that means. But I do know I saw this Zippo. I love the design of it. Also got from the smoke shop. Had to get it. You can see the same thing, kind of that sun fading on these boxes. The felt will fade when they're sit in the sun for a couple years. And this is from 2013, so this one they probably had for a while too. I will remove that. And then opening this for the first time. Beautiful Zippo. That nice little Zippo screen printing that they like to use. Looks great. Doesn't really stand pocket carrying too well, but if you don't pocket carry, you just collect them, it'll look good. So this will go in my fishing, camping, outdoor section of my Zippo collection.